Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are taking Paris to the vet. Paris in our cute dress. When I like how Paris shift for Gandong Saloon about them.
Why the good when for furniture also.
But a cold time.
Which part of cold time?
It'll come on to Christmas, so then, Paris go kind of coolish. I true that, because Paris floor grow fast. But you look kind of skinny. And Paris eat nothing, Paris craving. And hopefully after the vet we can convince Andre if we go to the supermarket.
Too much work.
Just for the supermarket, too much work?
Too much work. You have to do that yourself.
Alright, so when you go to the supermarket, you know why you have too much work because Andre take up big garbage. Like we have one 3-year-old picnic and 5-year-old picnic. Because a big snacks, you take up like worms, and what if you get a worm in your belly. And then things that Andre take up. But like me know, me take up healthy stuff. Andre. Say God kill you, Andre.
God kill me.
Me not take up healthy, sir? Me take up like soya milk and shit.
When you take up soya milk? Oh, soya taste.
Alright, listen. Me take up like chunks. Me take up like chunks and
me take up chunks.
Me always take up wheat flour, wheat rice and stuff. Andre no like it. Andre like cheese chips, in cheesies and in big foot and all in garbage.
They do that late night call for money.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I want next thing. I'll be at 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock Andre cooking. I don't mean PM, AM. Like 3 o'clock. You know we sleep. Like we up late and get up and Andre will cook all in rice and peas and in soup and you know me not go sleep for things.
I've got that come I lose 70 pounds. That joke, that's too much.
Oh, you want to look like skin and bones?
Well, it was 20 pounds.
Andre, you're dough fat.
Yeah, well, of course, I'm fat.
Andre.
185, no, you know, 190, that's too much. I'm at 5 feet, I'm at 5'11".
Andre.
I feel lose weight.
You're dough fat. Your upper body thick. You see, if you work out, you go quick if you look like you thick. Most of man them and I don't like them the type of man that you.
If I follow you, I'm turning around if all you all eat.
Really?
Yeah, because you want, I don't know if you want.
No, talk when I think more you're fat.
Yeah, I'm fat, that's no man to look for me.
Really?
Yeah.
You're full of shit. Like, really?
Yeah.
Me just like you where you stay, me not go want change up for that.
Oh, Paris, I go around.
Paris? Oh, you see Paris a leash, oh, you bite up, and she bite up. Me have to get one. You know, you chain them and them put on bulldog, for a Rottweiler. And them train them have to get for Paris. Because Paris, no leash at all can hold my girl.
Road bad for you, man. Jesus, peace, man. Road bad.
Be a hole in our road.
Orange road need for fix.
So don't make them see all them. Alright, so I'm big pothole there and thing. That a man have one on his bike. He likes, you know, see him, he likes to play there. That's it.
Running, aye. Running bike. Can't see shit.
$1,000 say now over here. Yeah, it's $1,000 and go over here.
No, sir, we're not the devil. I'll leave it first.
Alright, make up $1,000 before I reach gas station.
Say go over here?
Yeah, me saying now go over here. You saying go over here?
Yeah.
Alright, $1,000.
Oh, you know, go back and see that.
I'm gonna forget $1,000, I know over here.
Yeah?
That man turn off, so I win anyways.
But you overtake him same here because him gone in front.
No.
Overtake, I will just skip to some skip.
See? Somebody purchased the land. But he tell Andre to get the land here now, but no. So he make somebody buy the land.
So you go one of the season.
Really?
Oh, that hole.
You're jumping at some hole these days.
Yeah.
Some deep hole you're jumping at these days.
No point intended.
People slow down after they look about Paris. I know we put Paris up there, I swear to God. Paris go up there and say, but me have our leash on because Paris. May I say Paris? Paris It's kind of one unruly puppy, so I don't want she to jump up. I don't think she can reach up, but it just looks so cute. Our parents stand up there, so Andre the hate. Paris, good girl, Paris. See the reason why the leash look like this? Paris constant like bite it. She not like leash, so when I put her on it, she will bite the leash. I may have to tie it. I did have two of them, and Paris mash them up like this. Paris is so unruly, this dog. Oh my god. I have an unruly puppy, y'all. Unruly Paris. I should name her Unruly Paris. Eat them. She have underbite, so it can't be fixed. Her have to stay that way there.
No, I can't do nothing more than that.
Oh.
You said she wanted.
Okay, Paris. Paris. You'll get on joke. Paris, get in more medicine. Paris, you sweet out, Tina. Yeah. Oh God, man. Oh God. Paris? What do I prevent?
Heartworm disease.
Okay. Come first, make me see puppy. Missing or stolen. Shih Tzu poodle. Yeah. No, it's not illegal.
You know, sir.
We could never do that to our dog. No. Like take it cut, make it even cut off in balls. Oh God.
Like you do, Lisa.
But if you don't want one man dog, why not just get one female dog instead?
Because female cow can get pregnant.
Yeah, but the man.
And they have to remove a female them over, see me. So
some people do that to dog.
What do you mean?
Oh shit. That's horrible. Horrible.
Which part do you think of that nearest place going into the rest?
Yes. And where the horse? Where they go? Where they go?
We're not going away.
We'll go watch movie?
Yeah. We'll go drop you off and then get over my speaker, then we'll come back. Which way am I going to feel? Already?
You're full of you.
So I have to go up on it and come back down?
Yeah. Who go walk? You're bright.
So you look a walking no good for you?
No, baby love. Me not try to lose now. If you feel like me fat, go look on Marga, girl.
Get one 250 or 150.
Crazy your frig. And then go buy party. 151 I want 251.
The 251 make chicken foot night enough, see? Yeah. Yeah, foot yeah man. Huh?
Yeah. Craven. I will go.
Yeah, money that come.
Why?
Cause he's a little mean cheapskate.
In the couplet, say nah, can I wallet? You me and him come here. Oh God, Andre.
You go dead with the whole of money, you know, you go all on dead with the rotten pile. No spenny.
Alright, we're gonna look for my soup. Zin? One small soup. Show me what they go on your in a junction.
We have gas.
You still get one small soup, it no matter. Cook on him big old soup. And then here we are. We're gonna taste this right now.
We have gas.
You soon to Paris come.
Hello, good afternoon. Okay, let me have a falling bread, a cheese patty, and a beef patty, and 2 juice.
A bread, a cheese patty, and?
2 juice.
Box juice?
Yes. No, give me 2 box orange juice.
They speak like you must.
Okay, give me 2. Okay, let me have 2 that. Let me have 2 fruit juice. Box fruit juice. Yeah, the box ones.
The bottle one we have.
You only got the bottle one? Okay, let me have it. Also, let me have a beef patty too, okay?
Okay, so 1 beef, 1 cheese, 2 orange juice.
Yes, and the bread.
And the beer.
The cocoa bread.
$710 get the first.
Okay, thank you. You must can't find 100 for put on the money, come.
No.
So I've got broke a $1,000 bill.
I'm go give you money, girl. Oh. I want to see in my purse. You understand?
How much is it?
So something. You see Angela, yeah? How much you say? Ask her again.
How much did it say? 720?
Oh, 720. I'm gonna drink my soup here, people.
Check it out, you guys. I'm about to close off a vlog for the day. Going home now, so don't forget subscribe and like. Give this video a thumbs up.